How to view WhatsApp status without opening. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can view WhatsApp status without opening. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So now let us begin. So the first step is simply open up your WhatsApp. Also, you'll need to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to its latest version. Now, after you've done that, simply head over to the updates section that is on the bottom left. Now, after you're here, you will see all the status on your WhatsApp. Now, after you find the status that you want to view, what you'll need to do is you will need to tap on a status that is right besides it. Now, if it's on the left hand side, simply tap on the one that's on the right or the one that's on the left. After you tap on the other status, what you'll need to do is you'll need to slightly swipe till you can see the status, but not completely open it. If you do that, you can get a glimpse of what the status is, but not view it completely, and then the person will also not know that you have viewed that very status. And yeah, that is basically how you view status without opening. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.